So from the chapter of number systems, let's start with the question number 2. So let's see what question number 2 says. It says list value of sum of positive integers and its reciprocal is, and it's we have to tell them what's the value, and the options are given as we see there. It's half, 2, 1, 0, and 1/3. So, what should be our approach? So, first thing we can say they're asking about the positive integers. So, we already know all the integers. So, integers can be positive and can be negative. But when we are talking about positive integers, it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it goes till infinity. So, and then what they're asking, the least value. So, asking for the least value of sum. So sum of what? So some specific positive integer and its reciprocal. So let's consider, let n be positive integer. Okay, so consider n is positive integer, then what will be the reciprocal of n? So reciprocal of n is equal to 1 by n. So now they're asking sum of n and 1 by n should be minimum. So what should be that value? So let's perform n plus 1 by n. So we don't know that. That's what we have to find. So for the start, what we'll do, we'll take n is equal to 1. So consider uh, in this formula n plus 1 by n. So 1 plus 1 by 1. So it becomes 1 multiply cross multiplication between this and this. It will make 1 and 1, and then this one plus this one becomes 2. So yes, one of the answer we got when n is equal to 1 is answer is 2. Now let's go for one more calculation, n is equal to 2, just to find the relation if there is any. So it becomes 2 plus 1 by 2. Now we'll do the cross multiplication. It will become 4, and 4 plus 1 is 5. So 5 divided by 2, which will brings it to 2.5. So first we got with n is equal to 1, 2. With n is equal to 2, we got 2.5. What will happen if we do n is equal to 3? This is always better to perform one more sequence. So 3 plus 3. So this 3 will multiply by this. So 9, and then plus 1 is 10. So it becomes 10 divided by 3. So 10 divided by 3 means 3.33. So we can see when we are using this formula, or this, I will say, equation, whenever we let value n, the answer was 2, then we increase the value to 2, answer is 2.5, and then we increase to 3, the answer becomes 3.33. So constantly we can say the value of sum plus the reciprocal, sum of positive integer and reciprocal, the relation is increasing in value. So when n is equal to 2, it was 2. When n is equal to 3, it was, sorry, when n is equal to 2, it was 2.5, and when n is equal to 3, it was 3.33. So we can just make assumption that it value will still goes increasing with this 3 points, and so we can say the least value is 2, because they asked us for the least value. So answer is 2. Thank you.